We often get asked, why is it so important to waterproof my shower? The average rainfall in Canada is 38 inches per year. Your shower gets used on average 12 minutes per day, which is equivalent to 1,100 inches of water per year. The belief is that tile is water resistant. Water can seep through, and moisture can seep through grout joints. Sometimes your grout can have cracks in it and it'll get through there. Tile on its own is not going to do the job. At Bigelow Flooring, we know that controlling water is everything when it comes to your shower system. We use a trusted and well-known product, Curdy by Schluter, to waterproof your entire shower, from the walls all the way down to the drain. This ensures that the water drains completely, so there is no chance of any water buildup, mold, or mildew. If you have any questions about waterproofing, please feel free to stop in at Bigelow Flooring to ask our sales team any questions you may have. We look forward to seeing you.